The Vergo AS7A2 Convertible Hand Truck Assembly. First, gather all the included components. Then, gather all the tools required for assembly. Start by sliding the nose plate and the two shims into the base of the frame assembly. Line up the holes on the shims, nose plate, and the frame assembly. Fasten one of the axle brackets using the 13mm bolts. Insert the axle into brackets and fasten using the other 13mm bolts. Line up the extendable loop bracket between the bolts. Place on the 13mm nuts and fully tighten. Place the first washer, cylinder, second washer, wheel, and then the third washer. Insert the cotter pin into the hole. Then bend both ends away from the center. Slide the handle on the frame and secure using the 10mm bolts. To change modes, simply twist the lever to either side. Pull down on the handle to angle the casters over the axle. Push down on the frame. For 45-degree incline mode, push the locking pin into the square hole. To release, simply pull back on the locking pin. Twist the lever downwards to lock. Move anything like a pro with Vergo.